Hi, my dear students. I hope you guys are doing well. So, we are very excited to start this new series. See, data insight is not very difficult if you approach it wisely and intelligently, right? So, in this series, we are going to practice some interesting sets so that you get a good exposure and that fear of data insight goes away. So, in this session, we are going to solve a set of multi-source reasoning. So, multi-source reasoning में है क्या आपको वेरियस इनपुट्स को गैदर करके उसके बेसिस पे एक रीजनिंग को क्रिएट करना होता है, बिल्ड करना होता है। तो इस वीडियो में यही हम सीखेंगे दैट व्हाट शुड बी द राइट अप्रोच बाय सॉल्विंग वन एक्चुअल क्वेश्चन। तो आप जितने क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करोगे उतनी क्लैरिटी बिल्ड होगी एंड द एडवाइस इज टू प्रैक्टिस अ लॉट ऑफ वैरायटी इन टर्म्स ऑफ क्वेश्चन सो दैट यू आर एक्सपोज्ड इन अ वंडरफुल फैशन। लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। माय नेम इज जूही नरूला. So I'll give you time to read this. What I'll do is I'll step aside ताकि आप अच्छे से argument को पढ़ सको and then we are going to proceed further. So I'm sure you have read this. Now, if you need more time, you can pause the video and read the entire information, right? So let's begin. A certain startup company that makes specialized computer games with historical themes is to hold a meeting of the 5 partners. So there's a startup company which is planning to hold a meeting. So if you just want, you could do some mapping as well here. Mapping has been discussed in detail in the reading comprehension video. So you'll get good idea how the mapping should be done. So there's a startup and that makes computer games. And what is happening is based on historical themes. So there is a meeting that's happening with the 5 partners. Now, prior to the meeting, 3 of the partners have circulated memos about Zenthia. So, this might be some game. So, what have 3 partners done? They have circulated memos. So, let's see, this would be the other part of the question. The amount of money we have spent on developing Zenthia has been much more than what we have spent on any other of our games. So, inka concern ye hai, we've already invested a huge amount in this game Zenthia as compared to the other games. The returns as yet have not been sufficient. So investment has been huge and the return is not sufficient, right? Even to cover our cost. So return itna bhi nahi aa raha ki cost cover ho sake. So I propose a limit of this particular amount for next year's marketing budget for Zenthia. So then there is a recommendation that the budget should be somewhere around $150,000. So that limit has been suggested. Um, for next year's marketing budget for Zenthia. If sales do not rise by the end of the year to have a level that would, if continued, to lead at least a modest profit on our investment by the end of 2 or 3 years, I suggest we cut our losses and divert our attention to other games. So, since there is already a lot of investment done and utna return आया नहीं, return utna भी नहीं आया जिससे cost आप cover कर सको, so then the person is proposing that you put a limit, right? And agar sale nahi increase karti at the level that we would want, so what we can do is that we'll be then planning to cut our losses and invest the money somewhere else, right? So this is a general part. Then what was the memo, uske insights yahan par hai. So you have gathered the information, right? Now in case there are more than 3 sources, you have to just consider it as gathering information from various bits, aligning them together and moving to the questions, right? So there is this one set here we have to see what can be inferred, what cannot be inferred, right? So just try solving it on your own before we begin with the actual discussion. तो सी आप इन्फ्रेंस, अब इन्फ्रेंस अगर आप क्वेश्चन कर रहे हो तो आपके लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट है ये आइडेंटिफाई करना कि क्या आपको जनरल इन्फ्रेंस क्वेश्चंस की क्लैरिटी है कि उनको कैसे डील किया जाता है। जैसे अगर मैं इन्फ्रेंस क्वेश्चंस की बात करूं तो इन्फ्रेंस क्वेश्चंस में देयर इज वन इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट that the inference has to be mild. So inference का मतलब क्या है? What can be logically concluded, right? So what can be logically deduced on the basis of the information provided. So you have to keep this in mind कि ये not, this is inference is usually not directly stated. इसका ध्यान रखिएगा. It has to be derived from the text. And दूसरा जब भी inference कर रहे हैं, it has to be mild. So avoid extreme answers, right? तो एक्सट्रीम ये मैं मल्टीपल टाइम्स आपको कई कई सेशंस में बता चुकी हूँ कि एक्सट्रीम लैंग्वेज को अवॉइड करना, बीट आरसीज, बीट क्रिटिकल रीजनिंग, बीट डेटा इनसाइट, ऑल, ऑलवेज, नन, ओनली, मस्ट, नेवर, ऐसी चॉइसेस को लेकर हमेशा सस्पिशियस रहना है. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज only the company founder would be interested in launching new games in the next year. So you cannot say only the company founder is interested. So what are we going to say? भाई सिर्फ company के founder interested होंगे to launch new games, ये passage के basis पे आप नहीं कह सकते हो, right? So can it be inferred? Can it be logically derived? No, it cannot be logically derived, right? All three partners believe that the development costs for Zenthia have been the average for company games. Yes, तो जो आपने पीछे देखा था, जो यहाँ पर उन्होंने कहा था कि एक मेमो रिलीज किया है, right? So prior to the meeting, three of the partners have circulated memo. So this is the memo का information, right? तो इसमें clearly mentioned है कि the amount of money we have spent on developing has been much more than we have spent on any other game, right? So that means जो जिन्होंने memo को circulate किया वो believe करते हैं कि the development cost has been above average, right? We can see, तो देखो statement का nature भी mild है, so we can say that yes, it can be inferred because आपने जो पैराग्राफ में इंफॉर्मेशन प्रोवाइडेड है उसके बेसिस पे आप ये इजीली वैलिडेट कर सकते हो, राइट? सो इन्फ्रेंसेस में एक कंडीशन है कि जो भी आप आंसर चॉइस पिक करें दैट हैज टू बी वैलिडेटेड, राइट? So less than this particular amount have been spent on marketing Zenthia in the current year. तो दे आर सेइंग कि अपकमिंग ईयर में आप एक इतनी लिमिट डिसाइड कर लो, बट इससे कम स्पेंड हुआ इसके बारे में आप कमेंट नहीं कर सकते. तो नो, दिस कैन नॉट बी इन्फर्ड, राइट? इफ यू विश, अगर कहीं भी आपको स्लाइटेस्ट भी डाउट आता है ना, क्योंकि एक्चुअली क्या होता है कि आपके पास इतना प्रेशर होता है तो वो ओवरवेलमिंग हो जाती है इन्फॉर्मेशन को डील करना, तो रिविजिट कर लो, राइट? तो यहाँ पर इन्होंने बोला है कि आई प्रपोज अ लिमिट ऑफ $150,000 फॉर नेक्स्ट ईयर. तो नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए एक लिमिट प्रपोज है और क्वेश्चन कह रहा है कि लेस देन दिस पर्टिकुलर अमाउंट हैज बीन स्पेंट इन द करंट ईयर. तो वी कैन नॉट से कि कितना प्रिडिक्ट किया होगा. कई बार क्योंकि आप प्रेशर में होते हो या आप आपका खुद का एक रीजनिंग लगा लेते हो कि लेस देन माइट हैव बी स्पेंट, मोर भी हो सकता है, लेस भी हो सकता है. आपको तो नेक्स्ट ईयर के लिए प्रपोजल दिया, तो अगर आपका पैसेज के बेसिस पे आंसर वैलिडेट नहीं हो रहा, you cannot say so, right? So we will say no, it cannot be inferred. So let's come to the next set. Let's try this. I'll just step aside. You take a moment to solve the question on your own, right? So see, what is the question saying? The attitude of the finance and marketing experts to development costs are more similar to each other than the viewer of company founder. Yes, we can very easily infer that, right? It is probably one of the main points on the agenda for the meeting in the marketing strategies. बिल्कुल, अगर आप देख रहे हो कि मीटिंग हुई है और उससे पहले डिटेल्ड डिस्कशन हो रहा है, राइट? सो इफ यू कुड सी दिस, राइट, the amount hold a meeting for 5 partners. Prior to the meeting, the partners had circulated memos about Zenthia, and then this memo may there is everything discussed about Zenthia. So that means this is a major agenda of discussion. We can definitely say. So what are we going to put as our answer? Yes, we can definitely infer that, right? So this is where we bring this discussion to the end, but try to gather the information rightfully, intelligently, revisit wherever necessary, understand the question task assigned to you. Inference statements are usually mild. Compile the information effectively so that we are able to reach to the right answer. So we'll meet in future as well to solve more DI sets. Till then, keep working hard, stay consistent. All the best.